Welcome to Bennetts Bedrooms. In this short video, let me tell you a little bit about the MLily Harmony Ortho. That's this one. There are 1,000 pocket springs in here, individually wrapped from the Ortho Range, so it's got quite a firm feel on it. The cover is completely removable and washable up to 40 degrees centigrade. Inside here, we have 6 layers of support, including those 1,000 pocket springs. We've got the quilted memory foam gel on the top. We've got the MLily special memory foam gel underneath. We've also got the Flex Comfort Foam and the Flex Support Foam, all to add that little bit of extra firmness. Really nice feel. Airtight border all around the perimeter to help the airflow keep the mattress cool and damp free. The mattress alone is 30 centimeters deep. The base on this one is a Bromley base in denim blue. It's a platform top divan set with a north-south split, which means it's split from top to bottom. The height of the bed from the floor to the top of the mattress is 65 centimeters. The headboard is a button headboard, 150 centimeters tall and 180 centimeters wide. Nice and firm feel, and the material's pretty soft too. Cool. If you want to know any further information on this bed, why not contact the staff at Bennetts Bedrooms and or just click back on the website.